Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to gradually zoom in by animating a clip in DaVinci Resolve. Let's create a new project and now let's add some clips to our media pool. I'll do the videos, screen recordings, and I'll put this one here. Then let's change the project frame rate. And now let's place it here on the timeline, then go to Edit tab. And now we can do a zoom. So let's say you can see I'm going through the Google and I want to click on this link right here. In that case, I will zoom in on that link, right? So I'll position my cursor at the beginning of the moment when I want to zoom in, and I'll cut the video by clicking on Ctrl B on my keyboard. You could also use this trimming tool. Now let's go to the end of when I want to zoom in. You can use the arrows to move between frames one by one, and I'll get to the last frame of the zoom. So Ctrl B, and now at the beginning, I'll position my cursor at the beginning, and I will add a transform. You can see when I go to Inspector in the top right corner, I can now find video and transform. I can now add a keyframe, which is the beginning frame of an animation. I can add it by clicking on this button. I'll also do the position because I will be changing the position as well. And now, as you can see, I can move my cursor to the end of the animation, which is going to be here. And now let's add a zoom. So let's zoom in a little bit. Sorry, I'll need to move one frame because it wasn't showing me the change. Let's zoom in maybe like that. Then I'll also change the position, as I said. So I'll change the X position and the Y a little bit. Maybe let's zoom in even further, change the X position. And this is going to be my zoom. So, as you can see, this is my zoom. So this is what it looks like. You can also make a zoom so that it pauses at a certain point. So let's cut the video here. Ctrl B or Command B on Mac. Then let's move to the moment where I want to finish the whole zoom. So basically up to here, Command B. Then the beginning, I can insert a keyframe now. I'll do the whole transform. Doesn't really matter that much. And now I'll move my cursor not to the end of the clip, but to the middle. And I'll zoom in just a little bit. You can see when I change a value, when a keyframe, a beginning keyframe is already inserted, it automatically inserts a keyframe here. So that is important to know, that you don't need to click on the keyframes later. And now what it'll do is, you can see, it pauses the zoom, then it goes back when it changes the clip to the next one right here. So that is basically zooming in. Besides that, you can do also other things with animations. So when I cut the video wherever, cut it here again, and then I'll insert a keyframe at the beginning. Let's do the cropping keyframe. Then I can go further. I can reveal the cropping menu, and maybe let's do it there, so that it crops, maybe not from the left, from the right side, from the top, and from the bottom. And now let's see what it looks like. But let's say I want to just finish the animation in this moment. So what I can do is I can click on Ctrl B to cut it. The animation still works. I'll remove this part by clicking on delete. I didn't want to ripple delete. Let's cut it so that it leaves a free space, and then I can extend the next clip to this point. And now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And I hope that this video was helpful. Then you can later put your video, render it. Let's name it. Let's set the location. I'll do the desktop. Let's save it. Now select the format. I'll do MP4 and I'll do the H.264 codec, which is the most universal and will work on the most devices. Then we can click on render, or it will take very short time, I believe. And then our clip will be exported and will be ready to be published maybe somewhere. So that is our beginning of zooming some basics on animation in DaVinci Resolve. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.